Good evening, UK. We are excited to be back again to host a very special session today. Yes, it is our wedding song special. We promised you last week, and we are bringing you our wedding special. In the current scenario of COVID 19, where we cannot attend any parties and weddings, today we will take you along to attend two weddings, a Dogri wedding and a Kashmiri wedding. I am Lalit, your host from Jammu, Adogra. Along with me is my colleague Shefalika.
Hello, everybody, namaste, and good evening. So, let's present a special wedding edition for BHF radio. So, as Lalit said, weddings are an important part of the Indian community, especially, and the weddings in Jammu and Kashmir are the same as the rest of India. Obviously, the traditions are a bit different, and the weddings go on for many days. So, we'll talk through two weddings this evening, and we hope that you will enjoy because October and November are the main wedding season in Jammu and Kashmir. Unfortunately, I don't think this year we'll be able to attend any of those. So let's go on a wedding journey, albeit from our living rooms. Which song are we listening to first, Lalit?
So, first of all, I'll take you to a Dogri wedding scenario. Unlike just like any other Indian wedding, even Dogri weddings are a long process. And in the start of the weddings are usually when people join, they sing. Every evening, the neighbors join the house of the wedding house, and they have music, dholki, dancing, lady sangeet. And the first song I'm going to play today is about a girl who's telling to her mother that there are two sadhus who've come and they're asking for kanya dan. So this is called a suhag. What happens in Dogri weddings? There are two types of songs. If the wedding is in a girl's house, the songs which are sung are called suhag, and if the wedding is in a boy's house, the songs which are sung are called kodi, which is ghodi, which is on what the bridegroom goes for the wedding. So this is a suhag where a girl is singing to her mother after she knows she's going to get married that two sadhus have come and they're asking for Kanyakadan. Please write to my father, call him to do his duties and do the Kanyadan. So without wasting any time, let's go and listen to Sade Vede.
साड़े बेड़े हरे आशतूत निमाए साड़े बेड़े हरे आशतूत निमाए दो आए जटा वाले साध निमाए दो आए जटा वाले साध निमाए होता मंग देने कन्या दादान निमाए होता मंग देने कन्या दादान निमाए मेरे बावल जी नो चिट्ठियां पानी माए मेरे बावल जी नो चिट्ठियां पानी माए आपे देनगे कन्या दादान निमाए आपे देनगे कन्या दादान निमाए साड़े बेड़े हरे आशतूत निताई साड़े बेड़े हरे आशतूत निताई
course, I'm already feeling very nostalgic about the wedding season and even my own wedding. So the first important day in the Kashmiri wedding is the Mehndi Raat, as in a lot of other weddings. So the Mehndi Raat wedding is the bride and the groom, they have it in their own respective homes, and so it's basically as it says, where people apply, and all the ladies, they apply mehendi to their hands
Wow.
and to their feet, and the bride is obviously the most important person. So the mehendi is applied up to almost the whole arm is covered with designs, and the feet are covered as well. And everybody, whether you like it or not, you are supposed to apply at least some mehendi on your hands,
Yeah.
because that's considered a good omen.
Omen.
And of course, along with applying mehendi, everybody is singing and dancing and getting the girl, the bride, prepared for the wedding day. So she has to have
And
a bath and adorn all the jewelry.
and all the food and kahwa going around, isn't it?
Yes, of course. It's a whole night affair. So there's kahwa the whole night, and the people dancing, and then normally we have troops, the singing troops coming, and they sit along with the family, and they help with the singing as well. So dancing is a must on that evening, and it goes all through the night. So and the girl, obviously, she's very excited. It's a Mehndi Raat. It's the day before her main wedding, so she's like the star of the ceremony. Same for the groom as well. He's the star of the show, and everybody is giving them all their blessings and everything that goes with weddings. So let's play the Mehndi Raat song now.
Sure.
अच्छे ये मुजरात मुजला कोई भलाई भलाई अच्छे मुजरात मुजला कोई भलाई भलाई अच्छे मुजरात मुजला कोई भलाई भलाई अच्छे मुजरात मुजला कोई भलाई भलाई तकदीर साथ मुजला कोई भलाई भलाई अच्छे मुजरात मुजला कोई
apologies in our excitement of enjoying the wedding season. Just before this song, I forgot to press the talk button. So just let me talk you through the song which you just heard. Banni Te Banere is when the neighborhood girls join and they all are singing and dancing and enjoying the wedding season. So this song was all about that. Over to Shafalika.
Yeah, lots of people frantically calling me. What's happened to you guys? You've gone off air. So okay, let's blame Lalit for this one. So yes, so the next song, as we continue with the wedding season, is now the groom has arrived. So the Mehndi is finished, and the next day there's the actual wedding day. So the groom has arrived now, and the bride's household is getting ready to welcome him along with his family members. So, as usual, everybody has to break into song and dance. So, the next song is Azhe Aap Paane Balia. So, I've been waiting. So, the girl is saying, I've been waiting my whole life for you, and now, like you say in Hindi, Mere Sapnu Ka Shehzada aa gaya. So, the person of my dreams has finally arrived. So, I'm entering a new phase of my youth. It's a new beginning for me, and the things I had been craving for till now are now suddenly they're going to come to fruition. So welcome the bride and welcome the groom, sorry, and welcome all his family as you take me along with you to start a new journey. So lali lali no amar azheya pani baliya. The groom himself has arrived. Let's play the song.
ललनो मना है लल ललनो ममा है किस ग्रामनु लपचा है किसले ग्रामनु लपचा हसया पान बालिया हसया पान बालिया हसया पान बालिया हसया पान बालिया है लल ललनो ममा हसया पान बालिया है लल ललनो ममा हसया पान बालिया हसया पान बालिया हसया पान बालिया है हसया पान बालिया हसया पान बालिया है किसके ग्रामनु लपचा हसया पान बालिया है किसके ग्रामनु लपचा हसया पान बालिया बिसिए चुप चिप जा महरा सोनैया बिसिए चुप चिप जा महरा सोनैया है महरा सोनैया महरा सोनैया है महरा सोनैया महरा सोनैया है वक्त रस पोश अमान हसया पान बालिया है वक्त रस पोश अमान हसया पान बालिया है आमे 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 बालिया हसया पान बालिया जाने बते निशगुर कर क्या बकशरपुर जाने बते निशगुर कर क्या बकशरपुर है कर क्या बकशरपुर कर क्या बकशरपुर है कर क्या बकशरपुर कर क्या बकशरपुर है नानी कंची परवरदिगार हसया पान बालिया है नानी कंची परवरदिगार हसया पान बालिया किसके ग्रामनु लपचा हसया पान बालिया है हसया पान बालिया हसया पान बालिया है हसया पान बालिया हसया पान बालिया है लल ललनो ममा हसया पान बालिया है हसया पान बालिया हसया
now that the Barat has arrived at Kashmiri wedding, it's time to move ahead in Dogri wedding. So the Barat is about to leave, and before the Barat leaves, we have certain ceremonies which take place. The Godi, which is the mare on which the bridegroom leaves for the wedding, leading the Barat, the sisters of the bridegroom have to feed the Godi chane ki dal. They tie some decorative thread around the Godi, and they ask the Bhabi, which is the sister in law of the bridegroom, to put kajal in his eyes and a black tika bit so that there is no, to ward off the evil eyes. So the song which is next is I'm going to play is E Godi Mere Veer Di Vrindavan Se Aayi, and how they are describing the whole ceremony of Godi. It is called
Nice,
Gurchari.
very nice, excellent song.
Thank you.
एक कोड़ी मेरे वीर दी वृंदावन विच आई। एक कोड़ी मेरे वीर दी वृंदावन विच आई। चढ़ कोड़ी वीर तुरी पे अपनी बादशाही। चढ़ कोड़ी वीर तुरी पे अपनी बादशाही। जंदड़ा जंदड़ा भाभी रोके आदे जा सुर मासलाई। जंदड़ा जंदड़ा भाभी रोके आदे जा सुर मासलाई। मैंने नेवर न्यामना वीर देग बधाई।
That's such a nice song, and how much pampering has happened with the Godi. Really lucky Godi, isn't it? So in Kashmir, I think it's one of the only cultures where the groom does not come on a Godi. So in the olden days, they used to just walk down to the bride's house because everybody used to live really close to each other. But more recently, with cars and things, so people go. So the groom goes in a car. So we don't use Godi in the wedding. But that's a really lovely song, and especially the Godi is coming from Vrindavan, all the way from Vrindavan.
Yes.
That is a really blessed Godi. So moving on. So in the Kashmiri household, the wedding celebrities are still going on. Now it's coming towards Vidai, so all the fairs have happened and all the singing and dancing. Now it's getting a bit, the atmosphere is a bit sad and people are getting a bit nostalgic. So the girls' side is imploring the groom side, can you stay over? Because they're now getting ready to go. So everybody is trying to tell them, can you stay back? Can you stay back just for the night? Just stay for a few hours more. And the girl is again saying, stay for the night, my Dilbar, my beloved. Can you stay in my house for the night? And so although it's a sad kind of time, but they're still making it sound as fun, and everybody is still dancing. So the dancing never stops. So that's the next song. Asro sani dilbar myani dilbar myani. Thank you, Lalit. Play the song.
अजरो साने दिल पर न्याने दिल पर न्याने। अजरो
Wow, they are asking so politely. I'm sure the groom's family must have obeyed and stayed back a little longer. Now, moving forward, in traditional Dogri weddings in the olden days, the females would not accompany the barat. They would stay back in the house, and that night, whole night, all the ladies would have dancing and singing. They would mock the other family and make fun of it. They would share their own secrets, and it was called Dogri Jagarna. Jagarna comes from the word Jagran, and that means they're going to be awake whole night singing and dancing and enjoying, mocking each other, sharing their own heart deep secrets. So let's listen to Dogri Jagarna.
ऊंचा ते लंबाए पसार बैठी चोल छटनियो मेरी जान बैठी चोल छटनियो मेरी जान
bride and the groom. So Lada is a groom in Dogri, and
Yes,
Ladi is a bride, isn't it,
it is.
Lalit? And I
Yes.
could make out from the song that they are asking the dadi, the mami, the masi, the chacha, everybody to get up and
Chachi.
dance at the same time. They are distributing lot of food. Yeah,
Yes, yes. Babru
gabru,
chole.
gabru ke, yeah, food, chole, and they're distributing it to all the baratis and the bride's household. So in the so as the celebrations continue, the next Kashmiri song is not strictly a traditional wedding song, but it's in the spirit. It's sung at all weddings. It is a blessing to the bride and groom. So they're
Wow.
telling them the spring is here, and all the blossoms, the cherry blossoms, the apple blossoms are in full bloom. So may you be blessed. And the girl is saying that my dilbaro, my has is here now, and the spring is here as well. So let's sing and dance, and let our whole life be filled with singing and dancing. So that's in the spirit, as they are waiting for the bride and groom to go to their own house. So the song is Roshe Wala Myani Dilbaro. So my darling, let's start a new life.
Wow.
रोशवाला मैंने दिल भरो पोषण बहारा यूर वालो 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 तंग फुलिया क्या जान हर्द वाला दर्द सान तंग फुलिया क्या जान हर्द वाला दर्द सान बोझ बावान मर पान पोषण बहारा यूर वालो बोझ बावान मर पान पोषण बहारा यूर वालो रोशवाला म्याने दिल भरो पोषण बहारा यूर वालो तू फुलिया क्या जान हर्द वाला दर्द सान तू फुलिया क्या जान हर्द वाला दर्द सान बोझ बावान मर पान पोषण बहारा यूर वालो बोझ बावान मर पान पोषण बहारा यूर वालो रोशवाला म्याने दिल भरो पोषण बहारा यूर वालो फुलिया क्या जान हर्द वाला दर्द सान बोस बागवान मारे पान पोषण बहारा यूरवलो बोस बागवान मारे पान पोषण बहारा यूरवलो रोशिवलम यानी दिल बरो पोषण बहारा यूरवलो
What a beautiful rhythm in this song. It feels like as if we are in spring, we want to dance. I can believe how they are blessing the newlywed couple. Very beautiful song. Moving on to the emotional side in Dogri weddings now. As of now, we have reached the stage where we are having the fairas, where the bridegroom and the bride are going around the holy fire, taking the seven vachans for a beautiful married life. And the girl is in this song, which is called Mere Babul Ji Bedi de bol de ni tote tus bol de kyun nahi. She's asking her father, then her uncle, everybody that, even the birds sitting on the Vedi are talking, but you are not talking. Why you are not telling me what the people are saying, that I am a stranger to your household now? This makes me cry and I am very sad. I don't know when I will be back. Please talk to me. So this is a very emotional song, Mere Babul Ji.
मेरे बाबल जी बेदी दे
think of my own wedding. It's the bidai is really a sad occasion. So carrying on with the bidai theme, I'm going to play a very popular Kashmiri bidai song. It was popularized by the movie Razi as well. If you all remember, Alia, when she was going to the husband's house, this song was played in the background. But of course, that was the Bollywood version, but we are going to play the authentic version. It's a very nice song. I am playing a slow version of the song. In the movie, it was slightly faster version. I think the occasion of Vidai is a sad one. So slower version of the song sung by Abba Anjura is more suited to the occasion. So let's hear Buchase Khan Moj Kur. Kur means daughter.
Daughter.
So I'm your beloved daughter, and you are sending me to someone else's house. So she's telling her brother, her father, and the rest of the family that you have raised me with so much love and affection, and I don't know what's going to happen now, but please do come and visit me at my husband's house. Please do, because I'll be waiting for you there. The song Khanamaj Kur.
Bahçası kan majkur Diu me raksat myane bay jano me çvarif setha dur Durhayi zem lagyo bay jano Bahçası kan majkur Babde maj ka pareshan Yelha pur hom varivik sama Babde maj ka pareshan Yelha pur hom varivik sama Manzil asvatun mein hath choy zarur Manzil asvatun mein hath choy zarur Diu mein raksat myane bay jano bahçası khan majkur Hay hay myane bobay Zahkal may say probay Hay hay myane bobay Zahkal may say probay Tat kaçım bakıcın sarı Tat kaçım bakıcın sarı Diu mera लोग साथ म्यान भाई पहच से खान मुझको
Wow, whether it's Kashmiri wedding, Dogri wedding, or any other wedding, the emotions are the same. When a girl leaves her house, everybody is emotional. Coming back to the Dogri wedding, now it is time for Vidai as well. And the song which I am going to play next in Dogri is a famous Vidai song, which has also been featured in the movie Kabhi Kabhi, where when Rakhi is getting married, it's playing in the background. It's called Sada Chidiyan da Chamba Ve, Babul Asa Udi Jana. Sadi Lambi Duari Ve, Babul Kede Des Jana.
साड़ा चिड़िया दा चंबाए बाबुल आसे उड़ियो जाना साड़ा चिड़िया दा चंबाए बाबुल आसे उड़ियो जाना साड़ी लंबी दुआरी बाबुल केड़े देस जाना साड़ी लंबी दुआरी बाबुल केड़े देस जाना तेरे मैला दे विच विच वे बाबुल डोला नैयो लंघना तेरे मैला दे विच विच वे बाबुल डोला नैयो लंघना मैं ताईट पड़ा दियांगा दिए कर जा अपने मैं ताईट पड़ा दियांगा दिए कर जा अपने तेरे मैला दे विच विच वे बाबुल गुडियां कौन केले तेरे मैला दे विच विच वे बाबुल गुडियां कौन खेले मेरियां खेलन पोतरियां पिए कर जा अपने मेरियां खेलन
What a nice song. I was reminded of the movie Kabhi Kabhi, and this song brings back so many memories. There's lots of similar songs in Hindi movies, isn't it? Where the theme is that
Vidai.
I'm the bird and I'm going to fly away from the nest, similar things like that. So that was a lovely journey today, Lalit, and I hope all our listeners have enjoyed it as much as we both did. So we'll carry
Yes.
on with the journey next week.
Yes, it was an emotional journey. It talks about everybody who's had have a daughter or has had a sister. They all can relate to it, and I'm sure everybody would have been on an emotional roller coaster today with us. But nevertheless, we enjoyed the show. We will be back with you next Friday, same time between 8 and 9. And I think before we leave today, Shafalika is gonna add something.
Yes, I wanted to add today's wedding special on a very traditional song which is played in. It's not a song; it's a group of ladies. It goes on in the background for all the 3 4 days. In Kashmiri, it's called Vanwun. It's very traditional and it's based on the Vedas, where everybody is blessing the bride and the groom. So it kind of carries on in the background for all the 3 4 days. So a group of ladies, which keep changing every day, of course, they keep singing it in the background. So
Wow.
it goes on for hours, but we'll play a very small clip. And thank you all for listening, and good night, and see you all next week.
Thank you, Shafalika. What we need in these times is indeed blessings. So let's listen to these blessings and catch you again next week on Friday. Good night.
Mangai Manjrat. Atse me karin vaknai yezmanan te yezman bayan te महाराजस वहाँ चुस वानु साधु गोलालो त आइचे पोशो गाछो कोर में रंग रंग राव का साधु